Hi, I'm Alex with Ratchet Transport, and today we're going to learn how to secure a load. Before you leave, you want to make sure you do your PTI and make sure you have at least 2 low bars in your trailer. So we're going to check if we got 2 low bars in this trailer. All right, so we got our 2 low bars, so that means we're good to go. After we leave here, we want to make sure when we get there, find out if drivers are allowed on dock. Make sure you go on dock and you watch the loaders, how they load it, to make sure they're loaded properly and make sure everything is good, there's no damages. And then after they're done, make sure that the load is secure. After you've got your load and you're going to a receiver, when you're backing up, if you're supposed to take off the load locks, make sure when you're backing up, you back up slowly and very carefully, because the pallets can still tip over. Even though you're going slow, you could hit something or you brake and the pallets could go backwards and the pallets could tip over. After you've been at the shipper and you've gotten your load, you pull away, make sure you check your load. They put your load locks in, but you want to double check them because you want to make sure your load is secure, because you are responsible for it after it leaves the warehouse. So I will show you how to properly secure a load. I'm going to do it from this side so you can see. Obviously we don't have a load, but I'll show you how to set them up where they're nice and secure. You put against one wall, tighten it to the other wall, close it, secure, but not strong. So, you grab another low bar, line it up right over it, and now, this is secure. And if you got taller pallets, you're going to need another low bar. So you put up another low bar, tight. This one stretched out the trailer already, so this one should be tight. This one's very tight. So right now, if you have any pallets right here, they're not going anywhere. And you have to make sure, if you have a pallet in front that is taller than the other pallets, you want to put a load lock in front of it so it does not go forward. To take it off, you got to be careful because it's very tight right now. You press down on the handle, move the lever, and then slowly open it up. You got to be careful because it could swing back and you could get injured. So you got to do it slowly, and then make sure to close it so you don't get injured or no problems, you don't damage it. The next way to secure a load is using a strap. When you're trying to secure a strap, you got to make sure you go behind the pallet, little lever right here. You press on it, it'll get in there. And you got to make sure you're high enough where you're securing the load. You got one side, there's the other side, you tighten it, and then you don't want to tighten it too much so you don't damage the product, but make sure it's tight enough where it is secure, where the product won't move. When you're trying to take it off, you just press down and then pull this, and there you go. And same thing, you press the one button right here, press it, and you take it off. And that's how you secure a dry van. This load lock, this is only for dry vans. To secure it, you got these notches down here. Bam, that was locked in. You pull this out, you pull the button down, locked in. It ain't going anywhere. To take it out, you pull the pin, bam, That's that one. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. And enjoy the rest of the videos that are coming up next.